In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a doc in Coda.io. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace and wondered how to permanently remove a document you no longer need, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. We'll be deleting directly from the dashboard, which is the most straightforward way to manage your docs. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io/docs. This page shows your doc list, the central place where you can see everything you own or have access to. If you're prompted to sign in, just log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right workspace if you're part of multiple teams. You'll see your documents organized in a list, typically with the doc name on the left and some details to the right. Next, locate the document you want to remove. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow things down by typing part of the doc's name. You can also scan the list for the title and glance at the owner or last modified date to make sure you've got the correct file. It's worth pausing here to double-check you're deleting the exact doc you intend to remove, especially if there are similarly named versions or shared docs, because deleting will remove it for you and for collaborators who rely on it. When you've found the correct doc, look to the far right side of its row, where you'll see a small three-dot menu icon. Click that icon to open the Actions menu for this document. This menu contains options specific to the selected doc. Be sure you've clicked the menu for the right row, not a nearby one, to avoid accidental changes to the wrong file. From that menu, choose Delete. Coda may ask you to confirm, just to prevent mistakes. Read the confirmation message, and if you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The document will then be removed from your list. If the delete option isn't available, you likely don't have the necessary permissions. Usually only the doc owner can delete it, so you may need to contact the person who owns the doc. And that's it. You've deleted a doc in Coda from the dashboard. Remember, a quick scan and a moment of confirmation can save you from deleting the wrong file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your workspace tidy and organized.